Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today we'll be learning the variation of 6-step. I call this the level 6-step. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video upload, you're gonna get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Alright, so level 6-step is very simple and straightforward. So you're gonna do a normal 6-step first, and then from there you're gonna go to the standing up, keep doing the step, and then gonna go low. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna start from the normal 6-step. Alright, now we're gonna do the normal 6-step. We're gonna do one round of normal 6-step, and then we're gonna go to the levels. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Usually when you finish up on this position here, you're gonna put both hands on the ground and both hands on the ground in the push-up positions. But for the variation today, we're gonna learn when you finish on this part here, you're gonna bring your right hand up. Okay, after you bring your right hand up, you're gonna bring your left leg in, but this time you're gonna do it with standing up. So we're gonna start standing, do the steps, and then come back down again. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, right up, left leg in, standing, bring your right leg to the back. All right, now your left leg, which is in front of you, you're gonna kick and go down again. Okay, then you're gonna do the 6-step. Now I'm gonna put all the pieces together and I'm gonna do it from the 6-step until the levels. But bear in mind, because it's just raining, so the floor is very slippery right now. I can't do this very fast, so I'm gonna do it slow, and hopefully you guys can at the same time can see better how I execute the move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you go, the 6-step levels variation. You can also call this normal 6-step to standing 6-step variation. Whatever the name is, just make sure you clean up first before using it on your set. And if you have any questions regarding this move or any other move, just let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.